What is up, guys? Andrew, NoExcusesTV here, back for another video. It's a second video this week, kind of a little bonus video. I finally got my first month in for Carn Box, and so let's see what's inside. So I've done these before, I've not the videos, but I've bought these before, like a couple years ago. I had them for like a year and a half, and they kind of got a little repetitive. They weren't getting a lot of new stuff into the boxes, so I kind of stopped doing it. Decided to start it back up this year. This is the first one we got. Don't have any idea what's inside of it. So this is gonna be real quick, just kind of see what we got. Lord, a little hard to get into. So just some paperwork, talk about app, free storage. I've never seen this before. It's like a little newspaper. That's new. Didn't know what that. We'll look at that later. Oh, it may talk about the stuff we got. That's kind of cool. So it looks like we got a new headlamp right there. Nothing special. I mean, I don't know about any yet. It's rechargeable. Never heard of the UCO. Haven't heard of that brand before. It says they've been around since '71, so that'll be neat to kind of look at. Kind of a little organic bar, but it's Argentinian peanut butter, allergic to peanut butter. So the biggest thing with these, like all their food has like a ton of nuts and peanut butter, and I just got to throw it out because I can't eat peanuts or peanut butter. And then last but not least, Hydro Pack stashed one of these small lockable bottles. It feels pretty tight, pretty sturdy. So maybe we'll see how that works out. We'll probably test it out pretty soon. Get your review on that. That is it, just some stickers, and that's it. So 3 things this time: headlamp, new water bottle that you can stow and go, which great for backpacking, and then some energy bar that I can't eat. So we'll kind of get these next few months, get these tested out, and get them back to you with a report on what we think about them. So we'll see you next time. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, all that stuff. Look at our other videos we have, and we'll see you next time.